A pizza delivery man walked into a bank with a bomb locked around his neck. He didn't run. He didn't hide. He sat down on the curb outside and waited. Brian Wells had just robbed a bank in Erie, Pennsylvania, August 28, 2003. He handed tellers a note, collected $8,702, and walked out like he had nowhere to go. Because he didn't. He told police the bomb was real, that strangers had forced him into it, that he had no choice. Officers held their distance. The bomb squad was on the way, but it never arrived in time. The device detonated on the side of the road. Brian Wells died right there. What investigators uncovered next was worse. The bomb was real, and it was elaborate. A co-conspirator named Marjorie Armstrong had helped plan the whole thing. She died before she could ever stand trial. The question that haunted everyone was whether Brian was a victim or a willing participant. Nobody ever got a clean answer. Some cases don't end. They just stop.